Yo guys, so on March the 1st, bro, March the 1st, 2025, we definitely have a banger on our hands. You guys can see, man. Y'all see what kind of box we got. Y'all know we about to unveil and take a first little peek at some upcoming heat from Nike and Jordan brand. But there are two things, you know what I'm saying? I always gotta be playing devil's advocate when it comes to early releases. It's two things that could have made this release just that much better, which we are going to discuss in today's video. Let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back in. Yes, bro, this is like a 3-day in a row type upload. We usually upload every other day, but you guys have been going crazy with the likes. You guys have been going crazy with the comments, so I gotta return the, you know what I'm saying, the content over to you guys. I can't hold these hostage no more. We got a banger in terms of an early look, and I do appreciate all the love and support you guys has been showing. But if you are new here, you already know what to do, man. Sub up, hit the notification bell. This year, we are going crazy. This year, we're going crazy. So make sure you are notified by that by hitting the notification bell. And again, man, drop a couple comments. Let me know what you think about this specific sneaker, what other early sneakers y'all want to see, or just chop it up with your boy down below because I truly enjoy reading all of you guys' comments. So please keep it up. 2025, I appreciate y'all. It's like a blog channel. That's why I want to kind of re-gear my mind towards. It's me come up on here talking to you guys about whatever topic is going on in the sneaker community, early looks, shop drops, restocks, all that stuff, and I get to chop it up and talk to you guys. So again, I do truly appreciate it, but we can't do anything else unless we are running them likes up, going crazy in the comment section, and of course, new subscribers here joining the crew. So I do truly appreciate it. So without further ado, bro, let's go ahead and take a first little look-see, a first peek at some upcoming heat we got from Nike and Jordan brand. And again, we gotta discuss those two things. Let's get into it. All right, you guys can see by the box. You guys should know exactly what we have. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. And actually on this side, I say something else. Engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes from around the world. Y'all see it on the side of the box. Of course, right here you have Just Do It, Nike logo, and the official colorway. The official colorway reads Air Jordan 12 Retro, black and Varsity Red. And I got these in a personal size 9.5. I was able to do it, so I gotta see. I know that reviewing on feet is coming shortly after this video. But let's go ahead and take a look at them. Let's take a look at them, bro. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. There we have them. You guys see, bro. March 1st, 2025. We have the first look of the Air Jordan 12 flu games. We in January. We got some March 1st heats. That's crazy. So let's go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box. You don't get any extra laces. Comes with some white and brown tissue paper inside. This is a retail pair, 100% legit. Y'all know how we rocking, but check them out, bro. They are here. Are they here a little too soon? We're gonna talk about that here shortly, but I gotta give you guys a nice, clean 360 of these flu games. They look exactly like the 2016 pairs, like they didn't change anything from it. But I do want to, put my foot in here eventually when I do the review on feet to kind of see if it is a difference in terms of the, the fit, the build, or whatever that case may be. And something that's super interesting also with today's video, I got the pair that I released in 2016. So my main problem with these flu games, I feel like they dropped them just a little too soon. So here goes a 2016 pair in my left hand, probably on your right screen, I'm not too sure. And then in my right hand, we have the 2025 flu games. Literally, they are identical. So let me go ahead and do a little side-by-side comparison. This is not a comparison video or anything like that, but I wanted to point out, I feel like they came out just a little too soon. We got it in 2016. It is 2025, so I guess you could say it's about 10 years, but they could have held it in the vault for just a little bit longer. Still a clean Air Jordan 12, but did I need them? 12s are very durable. So I can see this release going a couple of different ways due to the fact that the 2016, my pair, I've been wearing this pair a lot. Like I got some good wears out of these and they are still looking really good. It's a little dusty right now because they've been in a box for about 2-3 months. But again, the pair is still in very, very good condition. So I can see these not doing too well in terms of, you know, them selling out and how many people gonna be jumping out the gym for these things right here, because they released 9 years ago. And this is the pair that released in 2016, and they still are in very, very good condition. It's almost like I can just wipe these down real quick, throw the 2016 inside of the 2025 box, and nobody would know. I promise y'all, nobody would know. Of course, you see it's a little dusty right now because I ain't really been taking care of these joints like that, but everything else is in pristine, bro, pristine conditions. The reds are matching, the outsoles are the same, the tongue is the same, even the heel, you know, the pull tab is the same. And I just feel like they came back just a tad, like a tad bit too early. You still wait another year or so, because I was like, hold on, my flu games is still crispy. Like, I don't think I need these in a sense, because again, they are in very, very good condition. But I know some people out there that don't have the flu games at all in their collection, and I know that's gonna be the people that prioritize release. I don't think you need a double up with the flu games. 12s are durable. I ain't had 112 besides the Masters that like got destroyed, I guess you could say, because I was wearing them to the gym, I was wearing them hooping it, I was just doing everything to them things. But if you are just, you know, collecting sneakers, you're wearing them every so often, your pair will look like this right here. So if you got the 2016, that's the big issue. If you got the 2016, you do not need the 2025 at all. Like, seriously, you don't need them at all. And I can see why people are gonna be saying that in the comment section of today's video. And the next thing, bro, so, you know, back in, what grade was I in? I don't know if I was in the 9th or the 10th grade, but I remember my auntie gave me a pair of the flu games with the suede. The suede flu games would have been perfect to bring back out. Like, that released when I was in like 9th or 10th grade. That was a minute ago. So if they were about to drop a suede pair, even me and the homie, the Retro Whiz Kid, we was talking about it. I was like, man, I remember having that pair. I was skateboarding in that pair. I was hooping in that pair back in high school. And I didn't understand how dope they were in a sense. 'Cause I wasn't too into Jordans my 9th and 10th grade year. For one, I couldn't afford them. And two, I definitely wasn't gonna be buying them every week like they've been dropping recently. But of course, you know, with the, you know, the suede pair, you get the different features like the little sick emoji. And I think it also had 38 points on the side. Not too sure. I'll put a little screenshot up here. But your boy, the Avengers, had that pair in the collection. Like I said, I was talking to the homie, the Retro Whiz Kid. He said, man, that would have been perfect for them to drop the suede pair instead of the regular, you know, flu games that were rocked back in the day, back in his championship run. And I was like, man, I really wish they would have done that. Might have been a little too soon for the all leather pair or the OG pair. Give us the suede pair. Let's see how that reacts. Let's see how people feel about them joints. I know me, I would have went all over them. One, for nostalgia, and two, I already got the 2016 flu games. They look pretty, they look good. I can wipe them down and they would look DS in my opinion. And then I would have the suede, you know, flu game joints to, you know, back up the OGs, you know what I'm saying? But that's just my take on it. Just a little too soon to release. And that's just sort of a couple things. You know, we getting these, we getting the black metallic 5s and a reimagine. Why didn't they reimagine the flu games? This would have been a perfect time, reimagine them things, give us some suede flu games. And I think that would have done so much better in the sneaker community, in my opinion. And not even to mention the white cement 4s. I think that was the first pair to release in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. It was like February the 14th. It was, I remember like it was yesterday. It was Valentine's Day, and the white cement 4s, you know, released, and now we're getting those again. I don't think it's too soon for them to release, because hopefully we get some better quality. But the 2016 and the 2025, the quality, the color, everything is identical. Like, why not reimagine it? Why not put suede on it? I don't know. And if you guys don't know, later this year, I know I'm all over the place, but let me go ahead and grab them, bro. Let me go ahead and grab these things. The Air Jordan 12 taxi, guys. We done got the red taxis. We done got the royalty taxis. We done got all types of renditions to the taxi. But now this year, we are officially getting, I know you already know, but I'm acting like I'm unveiling some crazy, shocking information. But you know, the Taxi 12s will be coming back out. And these released in 2012. I feel like it was 2012 or so, but this pair is beat up. Like, I need a new pair. The shoe feel flat when I put it in, you know, when I put my foot in now, because I've been wearing them so much. We're getting a bunch of dope 12s, man. We got the Flu Game 12s. We got the Air Jordan 12 taxis. And if you don't remember, we are still getting the French blues. So they're going crazy with the 12s. They're going crazy with that whole 2016, about 2017 run when it comes to releases, them retroing it. And I'm all here for it. But again, 2025 flu games. Y'all let me know how y'all are feeling about these joints in the comment section. You guys already know how to come. 2-3 on the tongue, Jumpman on the back, 2-3, and of course, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Y'all know how these things is coming, man. Y'all know how they coming. And again, still a super clean Air Jordan 12, but my 2016 pair is still good. It's still in some great condition, bro. So I'm not there in terms of my excitement for it. I wasn't anticipating these much because again, 2016s, 2025, tomato. But I will tell you guys one thing: the Taxi 12s are going to definitely overshine and just outshine the flu games. I think nobody cares about anything else besides the Taxis for some reason. And this is gonna be the ones that's gonna be a problem. Trust me right now. 12s, y'all know how 12s move. And them flu games might move too, based off of, you know, some recent history we got with them blueberry 12s. The flu games might be going in a second. But just know, these Taxis are going to cause some major problems, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Make sure y'all run them likes up. Drop some comments down below. Let me know how you feeling about these Air Jordan 12 flu games. I call them Taxis. Y'all let me know how you feel about the flu games. I'm loving them, of course. It's a flu game. It's one of my probably top 2, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 12 colorways of all time, right behind the Taxis. Oh, cherries too. It's a bunch of dope 12s, man. But the flu games are definitely up there, and I want to know how you guys are feeling about it. Cannot wait to read y'all comments. But again, sub up, hit that like button, go crazy in the comment section. Well, all that's been said, man, your boy DaVintage gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.